Hello girls, in this video we will learn about the formatting of the table, inserting image into table, converting text into table and the calculation of the table, calculation into the table. First we will know the formatting of the table. For formatting of the table we have to select the entire table. To select the entire table we use the table move handle. We use table move handle to select the entire table, and after that you will see two tabs come automatically, that is the design tab and the layout tab. These two tabs are used for the formatting. You can see when you select any one of them, the format of the table has been changed. If you want to apply the border, you can set the color. Formatting of the table has been changed. When you select the different color, you see complete layout of the table will be changed. This is called formatting. In the layout option you will get insert above and below for the row, insert left and right for the column, and different option to change the appearance of the table. Then now we will use converting text into table. Converting text into table, that means this is the plain text. If you want to add the table, you have to type the text, select it, go to the insert tab, table option, you will get convert text to table. Look, it is given as separated. That means in which manner you want to show. We have to select the comma because we have used comma with the text. Look, it provides table to the text. Now we will see inserting image into the table. To insert image into the table, we use the insert tab and the picture and clip art option. Suppose when you select the picture and click on this, you can see image has been inserted to your drawing, to your cell. You can resize the image. You can change the size of the image according to your requirement. We have inserted this using the picture option. But suppose you want to use the clip art. Clip art is also in the insert tab. It is the gallery of pre-designed pictures of images. When you click on the clip art, in the right side you will see the clip art pan appears. You select the cell and do the double click on any image. You will see insert image has been inserted to the specified cell, and you can change the size of the image like this. Using this way we can insert image to the table. Done. Now we will see the calculation. In MS Word we also can calculate the numbers. When we are doing the calculation, make sure that numbers should be in a same sequence. That means either in a column or in a row. When we are doing calculation, one cell should be vacant for the result. To calculate the number, you click in the vacant cell and go to the layout tab. Go to the layout tab. In the rightmost side you will get the formula option. When you click on the formula option, it gives you a dialog box, sum above. This is the sum is the formula and above. That means the number displaying in the above cell, it has to do the totaling. Clicking on OK will show you the result. These are the steps to calculate the number in MS Word. Using this way we can do the calculation. Okay. Now you can see it has calculated result on self. Thank you.